catching up on many things. Good morning. And right now we're gonna first. Oh my God. Okay, not much here. The market just crashed before for news. We have a beautiful previous day's low here. That may be the target. We're gonna put it here. Previous day's low. High of the day. This is previous days. We're gonna keep it there. So nothing really happened. We can come back lower, but definitely we are still on a bullish trend on Nasdaq. Need to figure it out. I need to move. The contract is MGCG. Yes, MGCG6. So we can come to a bit lower, but I'm trying to be understanding because we have a support area here. If we find some possibility to come lower, maybe it can be interesting for some low side trades. Yeah, oh yeah, definitely below this level. We have a support here too. We have this support here. We're definitely holding it right now. It's 500. 500 is the key level there. So we're gonna look into it. If it's gonna create something around it. Good luck, guys. Morning. So if we here we do something interesting about coming lower, grabbing some more and closing lower, then a short makes sense. Then a short would make sense. I think that's the only things that I look right now there in gold. Sorry guys that I'm not gonna read the message, just a few seconds to catch up on, because I got a late. We are pushing gold. Gold longs were the right things to do. We have some targets there. We have some targets. We're gonna put the day there. Especially we're gonna put the hour. I don't know why the continuous contract does not work in gold right now. But I have some highs there. I don't know, the highs are here mostly. This was a beautiful double top on the hour chart. But we're taking during the news. So not really. So right now, this is the main level on gold. So I think that is the main level there in gold to look. If we find something about then I will be like, okay, if it comes back, liquidate some people and find a push, yes. Not, we just leave it there. Yes, we're kind of rushing here, but we're trying to careful. Okay, leave it there. How are you guys? So hello, Redwan, Abdul, Rafix, Fayaz, Nick, I beg to differ, our Mufti, good luck. Nick, the news PM structure going to take a while to get set up. Yeah. It definitely did, friend. It definitely did. The long idea would have made so much sense. We take in previous days a lot of wicks here. Did we grab anything there on the top? Let me see NQ contract. That's interesting. If we didn't grab anything, we didn't grab it. Oh, we didn't grab anything here. So that can be an interesting target if we look to hold. If we look to hold. If we don't look to hold, then it's different. I'm gonna just wait to see what he wants to do first. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it there. Wait, I need to catch up. I'm catching up on so many things of work. And then I have to do something else here. Life is difficult. Life is difficult. I'm just waiting, doing some quick things of work, and anyway, that the market is just. Nice. Oh my God, so much to catch up. I forgot I can set this game. Sometimes we are too early. And yeah, with my stop, I caught the top with my stop loss. If I had the same things a little bit happen with Nick, so don't. I mean, guys, to be honest, shorting here, I would have shorted here in this one, below this level. To be honest, this is I would have shorted here. If I did miss this one. I mean, this one is not even. Yeah, yes. It's, I mean, if I was shorted, I would shorted this one. I would have get it stopped out. You're going. Are you going to sell? Let's see. Let's see how it evolves. I did not decide yet if I'm going to sell. I'm just waiting. It's part of the business. Answer, we need to have a call sometimes in discuss strategy. Will be interesting. We should have honestly some interview as well. I should interview you guys as well. What are you doing in your life? Will you show up your face in the live stream? Honestly, we have a channel there to discuss strategy in Discord. We just don't use it at all. First things. Oh my God, man, guys, I'm so tired, guys. I wake up, so much work to do. I literally worked for 5 hours, and it just flew away like this. I did not even feel it. I was like, wow, it's 9 a.m. and I was still catching up on things, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get late at the live stream 100%, and it did happen. Oof. By the way, is 80% is not there, but $40 somehow is still active, but 80% is not there. So I have to remove that 80% before you sue me, guys. Are you from Saudi Arabia? No, I'm from Morocco. I was born in Morocco. Saudi Arabia, that would be interesting. That would be very interesting. Guys, that's it. The first push. Look, if I was like very long bias thinking that we should come back and grab all these people that are selling, all these people that were selling on pre-market, I would be like seeing a closure above this 500 would be interesting. But I would be interested to take that long. We're holding a big. Yeah, I'm gonna wait and see. Oh my God. What is the next low that was not taken? The next low that was not taken was this one. I don't have it. I have the previous day's low is this one. Wow. So previous day is daily is this one. Previous important low is here. This because of the market just skyrocketed during the day. Yes. So this one day low, but this was during New York session side. So we still have some room to the downside. We still have some room to the downside, at least to take these lows. Maybe we can grab, it's holding right now this little support, but rejecting the 500. That is the main things. Hola, Fuyat. No, Fuyat, no, Futsura. Hi, man. Good, man. Alhamdulillah. And you? I'm waiting for the news for the news at 10. Let's see if we get something. We still have a lot of time. Still have 17 minutes before the news, so a lot of time. A lot of time. I need a coffee. I need water. I need coffee. Sometimes I forget to drink water, guys. Freedom. That's good. So if I have to look for a target, this target here, but no actual people getting stopped out. So for me, if I have to look for a short, I'm guessing something. I'm guessing something like this. Short. It can be this target here. Don't be if your strategy tells you to take it. If you're scared, why are you scared? You should ask yourself why you are getting that emotion of being scared. Is it because the market is moving too much? It's just or something else? You need to understand why you're getting a certain emotion. Oh. I mean, if you feel like that, stop loss, getting stopped out is normal, right? You have to accept it's normal until you keep improving your strategy. Trade, you have to take trades to learn. I mean, I don't mean that you have to overtrade. Don't take it in that way, but if you, yeah, sides down. Sides down is a way to do it. Instead of trading in 3 macros, trade 1 macro. Today I passed my wait, Alhamdulillah, man. I have a question. I created 2 Apex account and a failed travel wish and don't want to reset failed account. I saw that after a month it will be auto-renewed. How can I stop? You need to cancel the subscription then. I put a video in my YouTube channels, just the latest one or 2 days, like 2 videos ago, how to manage your subscription. And the fastest way is active subscription. On the top right, there is active subscription. That's where you have your active subscription that renew. There you can cancel them, and if you don't want to get renewed and rebuild. Yeah, there you can see which one will be active subscription on the top right of your dashboard in Apex. Today I passed my challenge in Forex, but I noticed that commission is too high. Like in first step, it's supposed to be 8%, but like 9. What the? I don't know what is percentage in commissions in Forex, but I know that Forex is a big thing of commission and spread. So I usually don't advise to Forex. Oh, very choppy right now. So don't hate yourself right now, guys. We're just waiting to see what the markets wants to do. What's the markets want to do? La 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 la. I'm checking gold. Gold can be an interesting short. It did not get engagement, but didn't come lower. But a very strong push closing above on the hour. Ooh. As I'm looking at gold, guys. Yeah. I'm looking at gold. This is good short. If it wants to come back here, how much will be my stop loss? $168, and I will aim for these lows at the next one. Even 2 contracts there I can aim. Why? Just because of this 30-minute channel here. We've taken these highs and sides. Next candle as well, we've taken the previous one, closing back red. You can come back and aim for these lows. I do like it, guys. I'm gonna leave the order there. If it wants to fill me. But that was a beautiful short. We got this one. We're closing strongly lower. I'm gonna leave the order there. I see it in the other chart. We're gonna look at the NQ. Yeah, that was a beautiful short in gold. You see, son? Yeah, freaking hell. I did not notice that it on the 30 minutes candle was already very nicely bearish. I'm gonna leave it. If it wants to fill me, come back and retest. Sounds good. If not, accept it. Let's see. I just noticed it after, but let's see what wants to do. Because we look at the hour chart as well. It's true that we're in 8 minutes, we're closing this candle, but it's true that the 1 hour candle is not closed. But when I look at the 30 minutes candle, we really close lower. Come up. Take out all these people that were shorting in this 30 minutes candle. All these people that were shorting, they got stopped out. Below this level did not take anything. So this level just created more buying pressure. So we have people stopping out here for this break and continuation higher. Ah, that's okay. Ah, that was a really nice trade there. Oh my god. Oh my god. This flag, yeah, this flag here that broke, faked out all these people, and vroom, 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 vroom. We're gonna leave it there. I'm gonna leave the order there. If it happens, it happens. If it does not happen, it does not happen. But I still like it to the downside, but we'll see. Yeah, fucking hell. Ah, yeah. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna just don't look into it for the moment. I'm gonna leave the order. It happens, it happens. And Q, we're coming lower. Unfortunately, we didn't come and grab any highs here. Would have been nice. If now we have this low and previous this low that far, are we gonna push that much? We're gonna wait and see. Gold is going lower. Oh, freaking hell. Gold was a perfect trade. Is Trump speaking at 10? Bullish. Bullish, bullish. Everyone bullish. Is it Trump speaking at 10? Here in the My News Things, it does not say it, but it says, I say ISM services. But Trump usually does not appear in the news things here. Let's see if NQ is gonna fake out people, guys. Let's see if NQ is gonna fake out people. Oh, this is the 5-minute chart. Oh my God, gold, why you're doing this to me for once? I'm gonna remove the order, guys. I'm gonna remove the orders. $150 already up there. That was a perfect trade. Up 100, up. I would be already up $300, and I was aiming for 600. That would have been like done on the day. Done on the day. Oh my God. So now you have not seen it when I was looking at the chart before. I was bullish, but then I realized it's Anna because it was still pushing. That's why. Yeah, that's why I did not see it in that moment. Just because I saw here, we were here when I was analyzing the chart. And I was like, oh, it's very bullish. But I didn't realize that closing lower, I would be like fake out all these people and come into these lows. And right now, we're gonna leave it there, and maybe wants to come back and retest, but for the moment, that's not our issue anymore. God, leave it there. We're gonna leave it there. Peace and love. NQ, it can be interesting. Does it wants to right now get all these people who are here stopped out somewhere, closing back again, and look for short side? That would be interesting. That's would have been a perfect trade. $600 on the day. Wow, would have been very. I saw your video. Thanks. Do you know when Apex will give 80% off? I don't know. Unfortunately, I don't know, my friend. I think $40 lifetime fee is still on if you still have to activate it, but 80% for the moment is not there. But I will let you know. I let you know in Discord when it will happen. I don't think it. Usually, Apex provides discounts, so it depends which they come with different discounts every time. So it's unknown when and which promotion. You know, sometimes maybe it comes and they do like 90%. And then you're like, what the heck? 90%? So yeah, right now they're just waiting to see if NQ wants to grab some highs before coming lower. Short again at 496. Good luck. 496. What is it? Why the freak I cannot see? I have to charge it. Quant hour. Quant hour. I cannot see price of my. How can you call this? Pointing. Pointing. Yeah, and quant hour is most likely use chart trading. Info line routed long tool is enabled. Chart trading enable chart trading. Enable chart. No, I already enabled chart trading. It's here. What the heck are you saying? How do you say when you want to make appear what is the price on my cursor? I cannot. I don't understand why. I don't understand why the other chart have it. This one no. So the range now is in one. But for a past 2 and the full show, I want to buy another. No, not for the moment. You have to wait for the 80% discount. You need to wait. News is out, guys. 10 a.m. Let's see if it wants to push, grab these highs, come back, close lower. I take a shot. I will take a shot if it wants to do that. If it wants to do that, I will take a shot. If it doesn't want to do that, let's see how it wants, because it would be nice if it takes these little highs. I would be happy if it does that. Prefer. Dr. Trump. Let's see what Trump is gonna say. YouTube. Crosshair. Yeah, I'm not able to see the prices here. Here, you see? When I put the cursor, it does not show me where is my cursor. Freaking hell. Okay, Trump is there. I think he just finished to speak. Someone else is speaking right now.
In North Dakota and the Gulf of America, and so you all know that I was born in New Jersey, grew up in New York, and my father started our company by driving a second-hand oil truck. So, Mr. President, it's an honor to be before you today, and thank you for that. Mr. President, during your campaign, you made a commitment to the American people to repeal unworkable and costly mandates for cars and trucks and let the consumer choose what type of vehicle they drive. Today, with the bipartisan support of Congress, you're
I don't know. The best was the short in gold, guys. The best definitely was the short in gold. We're gonna leave it here and evaluate if this wants to get grabbed, and closing lower than a 500 will be for me a short idea. Like right now, it's grabbing the previous. ES did it, and Q did it right now. If it wants to come back right now and close short here, then yes. If not, this is a bullish situation, and it's gonna grab these highs. And gold, my God, oh, guys, what the heck? I missed gold, guys. Almost already TP here. Already like up freaking 600. What? Piece of crap. That's okay. We missed it. But happy that at least I saw it. On the last second, but saw it. Caught that long on the bear trap. Yes, I see the bear trap. You're right. Yeah, right. That's beautiful long there. I mean, there is really potential. There is nothing here. There is really potential this shit can go higher. Oh. We're gonna leave it there. Trump is speaking now, back now.
Nevada to Los Angeles, California, and back on a single tank of diesel oil. diesel fuel, but
I guess
the
it's
same
pumping
exact journey would
the petrol
require an
now.
electric truck driver to stop also 6 times at recharging stations, adding an estimated 9 hours to the trip. I don't know too much about the trucking industry, but this is not sounding good.
Against,
Here to discuss
how is
a little
Tesla
bit
doing,
about the
guys?
trucking industry.
With these things that
Gina
he's saying, no,
Jones
Tesla's gone
and
up.
Gina, a real expert on trucks, I can tell you that. She's going to come up and tell us about trucks. Thank you, Gina.
Tell us about trucks.
Thank you, Dan.
Yeah, guys. Look at this gold, by the way. Gold can give me another entry short if it wants it. Of this level here getting grabbed. Does it want this first people shorting after this, getting stopped out, closing lower, stop loss here, and target will be the low? Maybe yes, that's possible. Guys, that long is beautiful. Then you will sell fast. Why fake? That's interesting. I'm gonna say that's an interesting point. We didn't grab any lows here. Let's see if it comes back and close lower. I would be happy to take shots. Yes. Yes. Send it to me. No. Let's see what wants to do. Happy to take a short below the 500. But it has to be below the 500. For the rest, I'm gonna leave it there and evaluate. I'm looking for shorts in gold. We grab this first people shorting, and if I see closing below, I will take a short and aiming for these lows. Still a nice risk reward. Oh my God. Yeah, so we still have 2 minutes and 20 seconds for this candle in gold to close. If I see it coming back strong lower, I will take the short. Up to these lows here. NQ selling a little bit right now. Is it gonna come back lower? Ooh. Ugh. Ugh. What Trump is saying, still speaking.
Saudi Arabia, Qatar, UAE, just a couple of weeks ago, the leaders of those countries, and they're very smart people, they said, you know, you've made in a short period of time America the hottest nation in the world. It's the hottest that you're the only one we talk about now. And 6 months ago it was a laughing stock. They said that to me, those words. It was a laughing stock, and it was an absolute laughing stock.
I like how he speaks.
Hottest nation right now in the whole
Hottest
world,
nation.
and the numbers are reflecting it too. So I just think it's great. And what I'll do is I'll sign this.
That's a
and we
great
can take
trade,
a
huh?
couple of questions if you want.
That's a freaking great trade, Nick.
We will be finished, and you're going to.
And even you took profit there, it's great. You're more than 1-to-1 there. It's more than 1-to-1.
Less money.
That's a great target.
Thank you, man. You have done some job. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, everybody.
That's a beautiful trade. You look at. Ah, it's finished. You finished to speak. Did you finish to speak? Anyway, finished to speak, guys.
Come on, sit around.
Yeah, he finished to speak. He's taking the picture now. Okay. We're back. Now that's beautiful. That's great, man. I think you've done amazing there. You see, you've missed a little bit the short before. Now you catch up on a beautiful long. That's beautiful. It did totally make sense, to be honest. Holding this level at 500 after this fake out. That's a beautiful trade. Does it want right now to come back below the 500? Does it want to fake out these people? I would love to take a short only below. It's like now, right now it's faking out the previous day's highs there. It didn't take these lows. If I was like a little bit aggressive, maybe taking the short here. That's crazy, right? That would be like, maybe if I was aggressive, but I'm not. I would like to see this below the 500. Just to feel like great. Yeah, you've done well, man. You've done a beautiful trade there. It's a beautiful trade. Even in 5 minutes, I don't know, this is still 3 minutes. Let's see how this 15 minutes chart. Yeah, I don't like to go against the, if I see this, if I see candle closing below, I will take the short below, but below the 500. Right now it's happening nicely. Okay. Don't, no, there is a rule here, Wayfake. Don't tell me what to do. That's the only rule you have here in this channel. Your strategy, my strategy, my strategy. I respect everyone here. You can share your strategy and everything. Don't tell me what to do. If not, I give you my accounts. Trade for me. Let's see if this level, the 500 for me, if we close below the 500, then it will make sense for me. Like, it will give me like a nice confirmation. It will give me more risk, unfortunately, but better than. And if I add, so you've seen my live stream, how many times I lost confidence, my friend. So don't take yourself down. I'm looking at gold. Can we close lower, gold? I mostly hit the area. If we close lower here in 20 seconds, how much is that risk? 4 contracts. Yeah, but we have to close lower. Stop. I'm gonna leave it there. This is like a possible short, but look how it's just closed the candle on support. That's annoying. So we're not gonna take that short for the moment. We're gonna leave it there and go. God, thank you. Even this fake out of this previous day's highs was nice, but I'm just waiting to see a little bit more confirmation. That's what I was waiting for, a little bit more confirmation. Right now, on the next 3 minutes candle, if it closes lower, it's still a good trade, but not the best risk reward. So we're gonna leave it there for the moment. It's a completely systematic. I knew it's deep fake in a small time frame. I need to wait for my candle closing there. It's just for me is the way to take the trade on a confirmation bias. Like right now, these 500s, for example, I will take the short if we see this candle closing lower. What is gonna give me like $170 loss and 150 if I aim for these lows. I'm gonna leave it there for a moment. Ah! Ah! How is it going, Mohammed? It's been a while, man. How is it going for you there? Especially because you changed your, you had your some risk management rules applied. I hope they're going well. I hope they're going well, my friend. If I see this pin closing, I might take this short, guys. I might take this short. It's a bit, I know it's a bit, but I need to see this 500 not holding. Which is why I prefer more what I'm doing, try to reward the agents. I hope to. If not, we don't make money today. It's peace and love. The short in gold was my favorite. Still did not go to TP, so. Mm. 10:15. We might close with no trades today, yeah? Might close with no trades. And it's a good thing. Today was not easy, to be honest. This choppiness. I mean, we came from these news things, chopped out, pushed now first, second time. Now it's still like breaker retesting this 500 again. Is it gonna push? We wanna, yeah, not easy. I mean, Mohammed, better there than always in losses. I think the fact that you are already in break-even, it puts you already in a better situation than most of the traders. You know, like for example, I'm kind of break-even. I'm happy. I'm happy anyway, right? I cannot complain. Yeah, I got way better at reading the chart. Execution wise, I need to be like a little bit more. It's because from reading the chart to execute, there is a word in between, a huge word of anything that can happen. But at least we got better in one thing. Let's improve the execution. You know, even if today I don't take a trade, peace and love, we move on. I like the potential shorts in these things because we don't have any of these lows grabbed, but especially on the daily chart. On the daily chart, we grab the highs. We come back. We broke this support, the 500 I wanted to say, and I was like, okay, we might come back a little bit more, but it's not happening. But we as well in a very bullish scenarios, we have to think as well. So is this candle a possible candle of that turns back the body back to up to green? Yeah, it can be that this can be just a retesting. Yeah, side. So for me, short is not available anymore because now it doesn't make sense anymore for me. I'm gonna leave the shorts idea. Shorts are not there anymore, guys. I don't plan to short anymore. I don't plan to short anymore. For pushing there. Does it? That's very interesting right now. Ooh. Funny things, gold came back to my entry. Gold guys come back to my entry. Crazy. I would have entered somewhere here. So my target would have not hit. That's very interesting. And the short still makes sense. The short still makes sense. The short definitely still makes sense in gold. Taking a short here, it's the risk before we had before. So taking a short here, it's $300 with 2 contracts. And I'm still playing the previous play. Crazy. And if I take this trade, it's gonna be definitely an all-day trade, like putting stop loss, putting take profit, and leaving it there. I'm looking at where it can right away reject. If I enter right now, for example, these first people got short out, stopped out. These people again stopped out. Where does it want to come back and continue lower? Is this the level? Is this a level, guys? Short here. Short at this level. The beautiful 1, 2. How much is that? 1, 2, 4. 4. Yeah, 1 to 4 risk reward, guys. That would be the perfect trade. The perfection. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna force it. I'm not gonna take the trade. If I have to take this short, I will take it on the idea of this stop loss here that grabbed this previous one. So I will wait for this to come back here, enter my short. I wanted to enter previously, and then let it play. But I tell you what, I'm interested as well. I'm interested in the long idea in NQ. Somehow strange, but it's true. I'm more interested on these longs here. And these people getting stopped out right now. Candle closes back above, and it's a continuation higher. Don't fight. Don't fight. I think we'll be rich. I think someone who said it once. I think it was like one of the most famous technical book analysis was written by some lawyers and not traders, something like that. Everyone is great at teaching. Hi guys. If it comes back here and wants to fill me somewhere here 470, 57, I will be happy to take a shot of the previous idea I had on the hour chart. No, no, wanna be forever. Na 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 na. I wanna be forever. Na 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 na. I wanna live forever. Na 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 na. Like if it wants to come back here, tuck, tuck, I will take the short. It's the same trade idea I wanted to take before, and I will have a stop loss of $316 and a take profit. I will say this low here. Huge trade. Huge trade. Will I get paid? I would have taken the longs if this low was taken out. If this low was taken out, I would have taken long. But no lows have been taken out, neither in NQ. So I'm gonna wait. Maybe it's gonna happen. I do like the idea of longs, guys. I do like the idea of longs. If we faked out more people to the buy side. We might get filled on our short in gold. Let's see, guys. Yeah, right. You should create a system like that. Trade your PA and at the same time copy trade on a different place in the opposite direction your another PA. So mindset play. You are winning against the system and emotions. I wanna be la 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 la. I wanna be la 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 la. Nothing yet. Can it come these little things and take some lows before going higher? I would be happy to do that. I have my order in gold, by the way. Still there for 5-6 minutes. I have my order there in gold. Too short. Yeah, guys. I'm so tired. I'm just waiting for. Now it doesn't seem anything's gonna happen. Da, da, la, la, da, da, na, na. Hey, hey. Ba-da-ba-ba. Hey, hey. Na, na, na. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hey, hey. Na, na, na. We are just waiting, waiting, nothing. Oh, nothing's happening. What can we do here? What can we do here? Yo, yo, can we do something? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yo, yo, fish post now. Hey, hey, please feel me, hey. Show me something, I'll take a long, long. Hey, hey, I'll take a long. Show me something, na 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 na. Hey, hey, show me something, hey. Show me something, ho. Show me something, hey. See you tomorrow, Fayat. See you tomorrow. Hey, hey, thank you for coming, guys. I'm just waiting to see if something happens. Hey, hey, I'm gonna give it five more minutes, and then I will decide. I'm still in the short order in gold, by the way. Just before you get crazy here that I'm just singing. I have my order shorter gold order there. And this will be something like that. Risking that for that. But though I 2 contracts, right? I have to be sure that I'm risking the right amount. $316, yeah. So I have my order there. Let's see if will ever get filled. And then we're gonna be done on the day. Whatever happens, happens. We might get filled in gold, guys. We might get filled in gold, guys. We might get filled in gold. And Q is forming something that might be interesting for me for interesting there. No, I did not get filled in gold, guys. I did not get filled. Fake out, fake out. I just pushed, faked out this candle maybe. It stopped out. So if I see these things coming back and closing lower this level, I'll take a shot with this stop loss here. Not, it's okay. I might just leave it there, guys. Okay, I got filled short in NQ, and this NQ short in gold. I wanted to say, this thing is flying right now. What the heck is happening there in gold and ES? Do you see NQ and ES? Do you see NQ and ES, guys? They're flying. They are flying. Hopefully they're just a fake out. Okay, guys, this is my order. Target is there on the lows. I'm gonna take a screenshot. $320 of stop loss. I'm gonna send it in Discord. You're welcome to come in Discord if you wanna speak. Look at the order, whatever. For the rest, have a beautiful time, guys. Order is there. Have a beautiful time. Love you all. Thank you so much for coming, and see you tomorrow. Hopefully it's a good trade. Peace and love, guys.